Stray cat. Big cat. Pretty good sized cat. I've been feeding him here the last couple days. Well, maybe a little bit longer. But, yeah. Pretty cool. Kitty kitty. Gonna come see me. A little bit more friendly. Put some food on the table when he comes and gets it. Out here doing yard work, cutting down trees and limbs, branches, twigs, that kind of stuff. Clean up the homestead. Feels like spring finally, pretty cool. There's the moon, das moon, very beautiful. So, the Lord is good, refuge in times of trouble. He cares for those who trust in Him. That was Matthew 1:7. Matthew 1:7. One more real quick. Oh, I'm bumbling, guys. Alright, I got cut off because I was juggling. Be watchful, standing firm in faith. Act like men. Be strong. How's that? Corinthians. Alright, you guys. Jesus. Really plain video, but promise is a promise. Thank you. Bye.